Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here. And now that we've completed task 5, where you've had to answer some questions about a specific thorn palm population and their features, we're now going to actually dive into the simulator to make observations about the actual thorn palms themselves. So, a quick reminder, this histogram here represents a large population of thorn palms and the distribution of different variations of their traits within that entire population. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a mission that we're going to be completing here in the next couple tasks. And before we complete that mission, we're going to make observations about what these traits look like in the actual environment of our thorn palms. So in the next slide, you're going to be diving into our simulator. We got a few things that we're going to need to do in order to make observations about our thorn palm traits. First and foremost, we're going to load in a mission that deals with the actual features and traits we were looking at. So we're going to load in our first Thornpalm water storage mission. When we do that, we're going to hit yes. And from here, it's going to load in that population. So this histogram we see here with these specific traits and the specific distribution is now going to be found in our environment. So we can actually pinpoint all those different thorn palms here as well. Now, a few things about this simulator. We're going to be looking at some new features here. In order to make observations about these thorn palms, we're going to zoom in here on the environment. And when we scroll across, we're going to see that all these different thorn palms are slightly different and slightly the same compared to each and every one. Now, it's really hard to take a look at all of these features, so we're going to show you a new way in which to make observations about your organisms. We're going to hit the run button, okay, and we're actually going to pause the simulator here. And when we do that, I'm going to draw your attention down here to our original histogram. So notice we have that same distribution of variations within our water storage traits. And if I click on this histogram again, it's going to turn it into this colored mode here. Now, taking a look at your histogram, you'll notice we have different colors for our different distributions. So starting over here, we have blue all the way to the really light reds and such. So each colored thorn palm that we see here with our different water storages can be found in the colored section of the environment. So a blue one here represents a blue one here, purple, purple, and so on. So your job, now that we've pulled out the colored version of our simulator, is to go through those steps, load the mission, run it, and pause it. And now you're going to be making observations based on the different thorn palm traits and their colors in order to finish task 6. So task 6, obviously you're watching this video now, there are those questions, and we got to make some observations based on what we see in our environment. If you have questions up to this point, go ahead and reach out. Otherwise, good luck.